Alright guys, so it's day number 1 on the car. I was told the other day that this paint and solder and welds could be done with lead because of it being so old. So I'm going to get the power washer out, power wash as much off as I can before I start sanding, and get on the way.
Hi, I'm Jake from Cali Kid Customs. I have been working hard over the years to fulfill a true passion of mine, restoring classic vehicles. Throwing everything I have into making this dream come true, watch as I discover these rare classics, top mechanics, and money pits, unearthing lessons and hidden gems along the way. As the great Pirelli Jones says, if you're in control, you're not going fast enough. Hit like and subscribe below. How much did you buy the car for?
I got the car off a auction site. I got it for $900 even. After taxes, I think I paid $1,000 for it. It's a 1941 Chrysler Royale Coupe. It's a 6-cylinder. It's called a straight V6. Not a V6. It's a straight 6. I'm sorry. And it was it's 1941, so it's the last year that these were made until World War II started. So all production halted to fund the war. It's a big project. I have no idea how to do any of this, so that's kind of the series, is me figuring out how to do this and you guys watching. I have a lot of different ideas for it, but I would love your input on what exactly you could see out of this car. I've had a couple people say a dune buggy, one to take to the desert and off-road in. I've gotten a drag car. People have thrown that out there. Or I think I might personally want to do something more of a track car, like a drag car or a drift car, something that I can toss it around and it would look really unique because of its style, and people generally don't make older cars like this, drift cars. It needs a total overhaul. It needs everything. The engine supposedly works, but obviously, as you'll see in the video, there isn't things in it like a radiator, and there's a lot missing. So I have no idea if it turns over. Yeah, this is kind of day 1 of the project.
What color are you gonna make it?
Color, I actually haven't thought of. Again, I'm taking people's ideas, and I've heard keep it patina like this and just put a gloss coat over it. I love the all metal shiny look, just the classic stainless look. But then like a fun something with a candy paint in it would be awesome color too. So I guess it really just depends on which way I take it. If I do like a cool track car, I might do something flashy. If I do something resto mod for the street, then I might keep it more of a sleek gray or a gunmetal color. Or originally I think it was a blue, like almost a teal blue, but this thing has been painted numerous times. If you can tell behind me, there's a brown color. That's not rust, that's actually someone painted on with a paintbrush. And yeah, so there's a lot of ways I can go with this, but I don't exactly know what I want to see out of this car.
How much do you think a car like this is worth fully restored?
Fully restored, depending on where, what type of restoration. I've seen resto mods of this exact car go for $32,000. I think if I were to fix it up how it is and do kind of a basic paint job on it, I think I could sell it for 12 grand. There's obviously a lot of more than 12 grand worth of work and time that needs to go into this, so I would have to do something kind of, this isn't really a crazy moneymaker car. This is more of a car to learn on, and that's kind of why I picked it up. It's a great car to learn on. It's got great bones, no rust on the frame, no holes. Obviously in the sheet metal behind me there is some rust, so it's like that's something that I wanted to learn how to do. I want to go get a welder and a plasma cutter, and I want to learn how to do all of this just so I know and I can be a little bit more hands-on with my projects. All right, let's check out the engine. So it's got a flat 6, which means the engine block is completely straight, and horns. Obviously it's missing the radiator. Looks like there's a bunch of trash in there. This is your steering column right here. Let's go to the other side actually. I love how the hood opens. So this is your carburetor here. It's got a single carb. Looks like it's got some trash from the old owner as well. This is your air cleaner. That's awesome. So yeah, just a pretty simple design. Yeah, let's see what else came with the car. Let's see what she has inside. Obviously the door paneling needs to be completely redone, which is scary because I don't know what it came like. Look at the molding. The molding is actually flaking apart. Looks like dog food. I don't know what that is. Oh cool, here's the radiator. Don't know what that goes to.
Hold this door for me real quick.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get the inside.
Cool. It's actually a pretty easy design. Seats go forward. The back is actually made of plywood with just like some faux leather across it. Let's see how bad the floors are. The floors are pretty bad. Just can peel away the rust here, so probably gonna need a lot of patching on the floors, if not a new floor. Show back here. Looks like we have some bullet casings and an armrest. Looks like a window contraption. Old can with screws in it. The roof is fairly nice. No major rust holes. There's obviously a hole there, but that looks like that's where the antenna went. What else do we have in here? We got the original emblem. Notes on the car, more screws and keys, and Lots of keys. Very cool. Some of them looked original. Let's go to the other side. There's some boxes over there. Let's see what's inside the boxes. So this door side doesn't have anything on the door, which is fine. No major rust, which is cool. They actually look really good for being 80 years old. Oh wow. I don't know if they're aftermarket.
What is it? What's it go to?
I don't know what that goes to. We're gonna see, right? Let's see what else we got and see where we can go. Looks like this is the mirror for the side, which is really cool. What is this? Some money? Nope. Cool. Okay, so this is what the door looked like. Oh wow. So those ivory pieces went here on the side. Man, that is beautiful. So I'm going to try and keep it as original and nostalgic as I can. The 3 little dials down there are the heater, the AC, the defrost. I don't see the heating unit. Should be under there, which I don't see, so super nice. This is cool. This is actually a really cool find. Gives me an idea of what it should be like and what it will look like. Then we got a box of stuff. Looks like we have another panel for the glove box. Some more trim moldings. Some wood trim moldings. More trim moldings. The originals. It's faux wood. It looks like wood, but it's not. All this for less than $1,000. Last piece. Let's see what this is. Yeah, the original. Super cool. That saves a lot of collecting for me. That would be a lot to hunt down. This was the last year that they made this car before the war, so there's not a lot of stuff to go off of, to base off of, and it'd be hard to find a lot of this stuff. Other little dials, it looks like, and let's see what's in here. Oh, cool. Original Chrysler hubcaps. Those are cool. Those are super cool. Those are a good find. And they would go onto the wheel, just like this, and they'd clip in. So either go get the wheels, chromed out or powder coated. Can kind of go all different ways, and then I'd go get this re-chromed, or at least polished. It doesn't look bad. Polished, maybe spend an extra couple $100, get it re-chromed, make it look brand new again.